So for this service call, upon arrival, on the top, this was flashing PLC, no communication. So the very first step, there's two of these in almost every theater. So your very first step of troubleshooting is to swap the two units out. Take this one, put it in the other location, vice versa. Okay, so after swapping the keypads, the problem remained. So we know that the problem is not in the keypad. Next, we're going to have to go to the controller. Okay, so I've located the controller. Just a quick note, you should be seeing one power supply just for the keypads, and the other one is for the receivers. If we don't have two power supplies here, and we have just one power supply running everything, that's a problem. So give Tom a call, talk about correcting that. Okay, on your control panel, each of these lights indicate a closed circuit, okay? One of the problems that I've seen several times is the communication. So we have keypad number 1 right here, keypad number 2 right here. Start by power cycling it, see if that fixes the problem. You can shut the power off right here, turn it back on. I've already repaired this one. Okay, the other thing that you want to do is to ensure that these are connected correctly. This one right here, I removed it, blew it out with air in a can, and the same thing over here, I removed it, blew it out with air in a can. Don't touch this without talking to tech support. That's useful, but you have to talk to tech support so you understand how that switch works. So we're going to check our connections right here, make sure that they're seated all the way in, and we're going to do the same thing. You'll notice on the one that goes to the board, we have jumpers on there. So we need to just ensure that these are connected and seated all the way. We're going to remove those, blow those out, power cycle the unit. If that does not resolve your problem, from there you're going to have to call tech support. Just a quick note in case you don't know the way these boards work. These 4 wires, this is auditorium 1, 2, 3, 4. The top 2 is alarm, the bottom 2 is trouble. So terminals 1 and 2 is alarm, 3 and 4 is trouble on auditorium 1. And make sure you call Tom 4 or 5 times with some really stupid questions. The tech support phone number for Kouba is 512-303-5033.